been monitoring it closely. The Department of Foreign Affairs, the Department of Migrant Workers, the national government itself should be very. I don't think we should be too much worried. Nakakapag-create ng panic yun. So, just close monitoring on the departments, especially those marami mga babae.
SP, what about implications sa atin, ano? Definitely, magsa-spike yung presyo ng crudo eh.
Right now, hindi lang yung presyo ng crudo pinag-uusapan dito. Security issues. Di ba? Sapagkat marami rin tayo.
EDCA sites.
Marami rin tayong iba't ibang relationship with the United States, with Israel, with other countries. So, dapat talagang basta yung pinakamaganda, close monitoring, we should be very vigilant about what's happening in the Middle East.
Possible bang may spillover since kaalyado tayo ng US?
Hindi naman siguro, medyo malayo naman tayo, wala naman siguro tayo wala tayong masamang pinapay sa Iran. So, hopefully na.
Kaya lang sir, merong suggestions na i-review natin yung mga kasunduan sa US, especially meron tayong mga EDCA sites, ginagantihan kasi yung mga countries with US military bases eh. So, kailangan din ba tayong maging concerned dahil sa EDCA sites natin?
Medyo may kalayo, ano man tayo doon sa kanila, kung dating niya sa parte niya. But then again, talaga naman we are reviewing already the possibility of the VFA, di ba? Or iba pang kasunduan natin sa United States. Pinag-uusapan naman talaga ng...
So dahil...
I think we should... No, even without this, kahit kung wala ito, di ba? Pinag-uusapan naman talaga. I think it's the national government should be more concerned.
So pero bakit po? Anong concern doon? Pero di ba sir, parang security blanket din natin sila sa Taiwan, sa China
sa
pala.
mga iniisip na dapat wala tayong relationship with any of this, no? Like US or whatever, or China, parang may tayong effect. Hindi pwede. No man is an island. Oh yes, the Philippines is thousands of islands. But pagdating sa global economy, we can never be alone.
So continuous pala dapat sir yung review dun sa treaties or agreements natin with the US.
Dapat, always. Okay.
Thank you.